If you want to cancel an order and get a refund from Zalando, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can cancel our order and get refund from Zalando. First things first, you have to go to Zalando official website, then log into your account. Then in this account section, you have to go to orders. Now from this page, you will get every details about the products that you have ordered, and you can also find a cancel button from here. Right now I have no order on Zalando, that's why it's not showing here. Now let's see how to cancel or modify my order. That once you have placed an order, unfortunately you cannot change it. That means you can't modify your order, but you can cancel your order. You can cancel an order for a limited time after it's been placed. If these options shows as available to you, we recommended canceling the order and place a new one. To cancel your order, please click cancel order button. You will find the button here or in the product description. Then and confirm, then you need to click on the confirm for the confirmation, or you can go to my orders and cancel just like this and cancel your order. That's how you can cancel your order. But for refund, you may need to contact with the customer support of Zalando. You can get touch on with them by the contact details that are provided in their official website. Just call them through their phone number, or you can mail them easily about the refund issue. Here is some notes for you. You can request a cancellation only when the buttons cancel item or cancel order are active. That means this button only active for a limited time, just like I said earlier in this video. So you have to cancel the order in that limited time. Then canceling an order cannot be undone, but you can always place a new order. If you redeem a voucher for your order, the order can only be cancelled in full. Then delivery and billing address can be changed once you have placed an order. We advise that you cancel the order and place a new one using a different address. That's the points or notes about the cancellation process of Zalando order, and that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.